Hi, Shannon here, and today's question is, what's an iBuyer? Some people think that it stands for internet buyer, but actually the I is instant for instant buyer. So there's a number of companies out there whose premise is that they will purchase your home fast without putting it on the market, cash as is. And that can sound very appealing if you're a seller and you don't want to have to declutter, stage, fix things up, have a sign in the yard, go through showings, open houses, negotiations, etc. Why not just sell to someone and bank the cash? Well, here's what you need to know if you're considering selling to an iBuyer. First, the companies that do it are not in this business out of the goodness of their heart. They want to make a profit, and their profit means that you potentially aren't making as much profit as you could. The second thing is, one of the things that's appealing to sellers who go down this path is that they're saving on the commission. But what you should be aware of is that these companies will often charge a service fee that's more than what you'd pay for commission. Additionally, the price that they offer you initially up front may be adjusted if they do the inspection and discover factors or conditions that they feel would impact their bottom line or profit. So before you decide to sell to an iBuyer, I definitely recommend that you talk to a local, experienced agent who can give you an idea of what a regular retail sale would produce as far as a price for your home. Then you can evaluate what those costs would be and what your bottom line would be for a traditional sale versus selling to an iBuyer. You may also be surprised to find out that lots of local agents have buyers who are looking for homes, and you might be able to sell off market for retail value versus under retail value. If you have any questions about iBuyers or how that works or what's going on with the market, give me a call or DM me. Thanks for watching.